So now, since nasa bahay lang ako, I will just be doing simple makeup. Hindi na nga dapat ako nagme-makeup. Pero, dahil nagbablog ako, I'll be just putting minimal makeup or just like my everyday makeup routine kapag nasa bahay lang ako. Yes, may makeup pa rin ako kahit nasa bahay ako. Color corrector or primer. Green. Instead of using a foundation, I'll be just using a concealer just to conceal the spots. You know, this concealer is darker than my skin tone, pero naubos ko na lang siya. Because I have learned na hindi dapat bumibili ng ibang product kapag hindi pa naubos yung dating product to save money, and also a training sa self na hindi magagastos kapag meron ka pang pwedeng magamit. Okay? So, I'll leave it for just a minute or two, then i-blend ko siya using my hand para mas spread talaga siya evenly than brush. But later, magagamit mo ng blush. So that's it. Let me finish up my hair and I'll be back.
So hi guys, welcome back to my vlog, and if you're not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell to get updated from my new upload.
So nag-charge lang ako saglit, and right now we're doing this finally dahil wala akong gagawin. Wala pa akong gagawin. Later meron. So now ito muna. I am vlogging random vlogs. I'm looking for number 15 here. Blue looky. Picture. Right there. So, update. Wala pa akong nagawa. Ang hirap niya i-start. So, I'll be back later kapag may nasimula na ako. I-figure out ko muna siya. Anyways, this art therapy set is given by Ate Shane, or a gift nung Christmas. So, it has yung canvas, then yung mga beads na i-didikit, yung pandikit na nilalagyan ng mga beads kapag ginagamit siya. So, nakagard ako, but update, I already started half of the moon. Is that moon? Let's just say sunset. Half of the sunset. And I was planning to finish it now, pero gusto ng ate ko mag-ukay-ukay kami. So, punta muna kami doon, and we'll continue this later. So, hi guys. Right now, nakapag-vlog na dapat ako ng intro. Pero, wala siyang sound. So, kanina is, nagkape lang ako, kumain, nag-journal ako. Dahil, di ako nakapag-journal ng 2 days. Kaya, kanina is, natapos ko na tong first part. And ngayon, I'm continuing the second day, which is kahapon. And, now is, halapit na ako matapos. After this, I'll be borrowing Kuya Ninyo's laptop dahil gagawin ko na yung school activity or school task ko, which is later makikita nyo rin. So, yun lang muna, and I'll be continuing this journal, and update you later. See you later. So, time check. It's 8:10, Sunday, February 11. So, I didn't vlog what I did after I journal dahil wala naman talaga akong masyadong ginagawa. So now, as I promised na ipapakita ko or mag-give ako ng update dun sa art therapy na ginawa namin. And right now, it's here. And tada! So ito lang. Sana hindi nakikita yung shimmer. But kapag ganyan siya, nasi-shimmer siya guys. But anyways, ito pa lang yung natapos namin ito hanggang dito. And yung mga like details, like maliliit. So, ito pa lang. And baka sa mga susunod na vlog, mag-update ulit ako kung natuloy ko siya. Dahil bukas is sa start na ng ST ko. And punta na ako ng Cebu. And ilalagay ko lang to dito. Dahil hindi ko to pwedeng dalhin doon. Hindi ko din naman magagawa siya. Dahil marami din akong gagawin. So, speaking of going to Cebu. So, right now, after this is magpapack ako. Which is you're gonna be joining me. Packing my things that I needed or I will bring to Cebu. Okay? So, nagbihis po pala muna ako. Then, uunahin ko muna itong school task ko or officer task dahil hinihingi na ng president namin and needed na talaga siya. Then, later on, mag-continue ako ng pack. So, let's now pack. So, I have 2 bags to prepare. This one is for yung mga dadalhin ko sa bahay na needed ko for the future or for the coming days. While this one is my daily school bag. Hindi ko ilalagay yung mga kailangan ko araw-araw sa school. So, I hope you can see there are things here na ilalagay ko dito and these are the things na ilalagay ko dito. That's how I pack my things para mas madali and mas clean or hindi ako anyway, so bag, my pouch, ball pens, and the other zipper, some ball pens, and the other zipper are my retouch kit, mga powder and lip tint and blush and highlighter and so on. It's bulky but hindi messy yung bag ko kapag ginamit ko siya. Notebook for note taking and my journal with ball pen na siya. My wallet, which is winning kami ni Angeli, and look, it has our initials. Kanya is AMA, mine is LBGP. It hearts. Payong. Close. Done. Now, let's now go to this bag. So, hindi naman marami yung ilalagay ko. It's just that. Lalagay ko itong painting ko. Yes, I painted it because need me Venus for her demonstration. Then, I have my bag here, pero hindi ko pa siya gagamitin. And it's new, and this bag is bag ng ate ko, guys. So, I borrow it to her. Now, lalagyan natin ng mga nito. Additional pala, guys. My makeup is hindi ko pa siya nilagay sa bag dahil gagamitin ko pa siya bukas. So, hanggang dito ko na lang tatapusin yung vlog na ito. It's because it's already 11, almost 12, and dapat na ako matulog ngayon dahil by 3 AM dapat gising na ako dahil by 5 dapat nakasakay na kami para makarating ako before 7:30. Then 7:30 yung duty ko tomorrow. So, see you on my next vlog, which is it's gonna be my ST journey. Bye! Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this vlog as much as I did, and see you in my next vlog.